Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlog. Si Filipino reactor, ang ganda ni Alexa. Ay Filipino reactor based na yung Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Ang ganda gawa natin ng reaction video, ang Jelix compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Jelix has to offer.
Alexa, ilangan!
Ay, taray. So magkasama talaga sila dalawa. Ganun ba yun?
Alam mo sa'yo.
Ano na sa'yo? Dapat ba talaga magkasama sila dalawa?
First is first.
Ganun ba
Alam ko,
yun?
Alexa, Jello, you guys were enjoying the match. Kamusta so far ang first set? Stress ako!
Bakit naman?
Kaya honestly kasi wala akong alam
The last time I checked, wala naman yung si Jello para ma-stress ka. Charing.
Basta may mga lumilipad na bola, tapos nakikisigaw na lang ako. Pero I'm so excited.
Ganda ni Alexa.
Especially you're cheering for my friends.
Si Jello,
So it's a
oh.
parang fun match naman. Friendly competition.
Friendly competition.
Ikaw naman, Jello, you're performing later.
Yes, I'm gonna perform here with BGYO. Pero
Ano perform niya? Sita-sita?
May next one.
Yes, ako pa talaga tinanungan mo.
Sita-sita ba?
This one.
Kailan ka ba maglalaro? The both of you. Kailan kayo maglalaro? Pag ako yung naglaro, tapos agad ang laban.
Ay, tara. Tingnan mo si Jello.
Inaya ko
Tingnan si Jello.
before last year mag-volleyball. Kaya lang unfortunately ngayon wala. So,
Oo.
hopefully next year.
As a performer and as a supporter
Yes.
mo na sila today. Pero speaking of supporters, grabe yung support sa microdrama series niyo. Did you guys know na top viewed microdrama series na siya on iWant? So how
Ay,
do you
tara.
guys feel
Si Jello,
about
si Jello.
that?
Bakit hindi niya alam?
Actually,
Hindi
no,
niya
we
alam.
did not know.
Ay,
Ngayon
hindi
lang
alam.
namin nalaman. So it's kind of crazy. It's crazy to hear that. But syempre, we're very thankful. Masaya kami sa support ng binigay sa The Chambermaid's Daughter. Lalo na nung season
Naman.
1. At lalo
Kayo
na
ba
nung
naman
nagkaroon
mag-kiss?
ng season 2. So of course, maraming
Kayo ba
salamat
naman
to
ang
everyone who
mag-kiss?
enjoyed
Tsare.
our microdrama, The Chambermaid's Daughter.
Ayun, I'm sure a lot of our kapamilyas here have seen both seasons. Pero for those who haven't yet, please invite them. Sa inyong kapamilya, Team Star Magic and Team GMMTV, we are inviting you to watch The Chambermaid's Daughter now streaming on iWant.
Yes, feel all the feeling by downloading the iWant app, and please don't forget to subscribe to the basic or premium plan.
You make the basic and premium
we
plan.
have PGY Jello and Alexa Ilacad. Congratulations, guys, on seeing.
Tama. Thank you so much, Jello and Alexa.
Go. Charing. Ano na naman to? Diyos ko, ayan na naman kayo. Ay, putang ina. Pwede naman beso lang eh. Bakit pa talaga hahawak sa likod? Because I care. Yes. Pero ang tanong kasi, only Bello touches your skin. Who touches yours, Jello? Charing. Eme. Alam nyo, eme kayo. Mga malandi kayo talaga. Promise. Suffer lang din nyo. Ay, offer. Suffer. Oh. Best in slow-mo naman itong video na to. Oh, jowa talaga. Oh. Katabi talaga sila. Jowa talaga yan, ma'am. Char! Jowa talaga. Ay. So, bakit kayo nakangiti? Bakit kayo nakangiti? Ay, sexy Alexa. Sexy talaga ni Alexa. Gwapo ni Jello. Ganda ni Alexa, no? Ay, si Jello. Tignan mo si Jello. Ay, talaga ba? Ay, wala. Uupo lang, yakap agad. Kakaupo lang. Kakaupo lang, yakap lang agad. Tama ba yun, ma'am? Hindi naman tama yun the last time I checked. Sorry. Ay, ano? Ano na may eksena dyan? Ay, 039. Bakit? 93. Ah, ganon. Ganon. Pinabaliktad. Gwapo ni Jello. First kiss ni Jello si Alexa. So, virgins pa si Jello? Chakis! To Jurgens pa? Oh my God, totoo ba? Ay, sabi ni Jay, oh my God, interesting. Charis. So Jurgens pa ang jello nyo? Tama ba? Lulumbay. Maalala. Oh. Ang buhay po. Bakit naman ang buhay ko naman? Masaya talaga si Jello.
Relax in Davao, oh my God.
Ay, sa Davao, tapos na yan. Ay, hello. Grabe, they are so bagay, no? Sa totoo lang, they are so bagay. Mamatala. Natok ako.
Of course, with
Ay.
Team Blue taking home set number 1,
Hmm.
20-19. Grabe yung laban natin, Patrick. Grabe. Hala, may mga guests pala tayo dito sa gitna. Oh my gosh, of course. We have the stars of the Chambermaid's daughter. We have Alexa
We have the
Ilangan and PGY
stars.
Ojello, Jalex. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeong.
Yes. Okay, first things first. Alam ko, Alexa,
Ganda ni
Jello,
Alexa.
you guys are enjoying the match. Kamusta so far ang first set? Stress na stress ako.
Ay! Ipakita niyo si Alexa. Saan si Alexa? Saan si Alexa? Si Alexa. Hala, si Nate, nagpapakita na ng kilikili talaga. Totoo ba? Ini-story niya ba? Ay, ang gwapo ni Jello.
Alexa going to
Oh my
FM
God, she's so
hello.
pretty. Ay, siya na mag-isa?
To meet her special friend.
Special friend? Gano'n na pala yung special friend ngayon, nagkikiss. Charing. Gano'n na pala yung mga special friend ngayon for today's video, nagkikiss. Tama ba? Ay. Grabe din si Akira, no? Ay, anyways, that is all for today's video from Jalex. This is K-Pop Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.